using one of those large pages from a paper pad and making a cross border to border pocket. So anyway, so let's get right to today. We are still working in the Virgin Diet Cookbook, which I am changing to Très Jolie. Okay, so I've used a Heidi Swap scrapbook paper pad. It was lightweight paper. I love it. And then I'm also using the digital kits, Très Jolie, Paris Très Jolie, and Paris Ephemera from the Dear Julie Etsy shop. Last time I showed you that I added these little pockets here, and we did the pages. So this time I have another pocket that I have added somewhere. Okay, so this pocket here. And so I'm going to show you how I added that pocket. And I have already got the papers ready because I didn't want to accidentally use the papers. Didn't want to use the papers up and not have them for this. So what I did, I've got my two papers. They're cut like all the others. Okay. And hopefully this will work. I've got my upside down. I'm really liking the fabric tack. It's not wrinkling my paper. So I'm seeing several people are upset because their pages are wrinkling, and I haven't really had a big problem with the wrinkling, but the other reason might be on this journal I am leaving the mess or the mayhem in between the pretty pages. Instead of putting them in the pockets, I'm leaving it on the outside because I thought that maybe it might help with the bulk of the book. And I wanted to see how it would look. Okay, so this is the back page, and I've just gone ahead and put down our paper just like everywhere else. Now the front page, I've gone ahead and folded it down about an inch in and just across. Okay, so an inch in and across, and I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this just so that it hopefully won't grab on things. Okay, and that way we've got that pocket. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this, and I'm just going to go around the edges, find my spot. Then I'm going to come in, and with my thumb I'm going to actually like tear a little bit right where that fold is, and up here right where the fold is. Okay, and I want it to be right on where the fold is. Okay, so then I have my little cutter, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to line up fold to fold. Might have to get out the bigger cutter. I do. Darn. I have to reach. Okay, so bigger cutter. Okay, so there's the fold, and there's the fold. Check it 20 times and then cut. Okay. There we go. So I have this piece. We'll be able to use that somewhere else. And I had decided that I wanted this to go right up and butt up against the edge, was why I folded it that way. If you want and you don't mind the words showing, you can go ahead and have it come down. But I wanted it right up against the edge. Okay. I forgot to turn this over. I'm wondering if I remembered to bring home the fabric tack from my dad's house. I have the other. I found a lid too while I was cleaning. So that was nice. Whoa. This one sure has a nice edge on it. So I did buy a new, I got the large fabric tack. And what I thought I would do is put some in these other bottles because I need a car kit, as Bonnie said. So here's the mess. Do you see that? There's the mess. Most of you are folding your mess into your pockets. I chose for this one, I am not folding my mess into my pockets. Okay. And we'll just get an idea of how that works. Okay. Again, my idea being that mess, that right there, separates the page a little bit, and it's already naturally there. Okay, so there, and now I have my pocket. So we're going to let that dry, but that is my corner to corner pocket, and it gives you, I think it's kind of nice. Now, I did sort of run out of stuff. So I have this from Michael's. You guys remember this from a couple years ago? And so we are going to see. This is one of those pages that you might not be able to use regular, okay? If we cut it at 9 inches, we're going to cut her off. So let's go and see how, okay, 7 inches. We're going to be fine. We'll have more than 7 inches. I don't know that I need these lips. I don't think I need the lips. Okay, so we are using one of those pages, and we're just going to cut it up, and this is going to become a tag or a pocket or something. And so we have it that way. Now we're going to go and measure to the 7 inches. Okay. We'll save this also, and then we're going to go to our just under 9 inches. This will also make a nice tag, and there we have our page cut out of a page that you might go, what the heck am I going to use that for? Okay, so this one is a pocket on the top. We're just going to go around the outside. So for this book, I chose the very, very simple, and I'm going to be doing a variety of these throughout the month, okay? And I have my list of the different types of that I want to show you. And of course, some of those are already being done. We already have people already finished with their first journal. Some of them are now, it's a contest to see how many they can get made. Just using up paper pads and stuff that they have. So anyway, so this first one, again, mess in the middle, and oh wow, this one's going to want something on that page. Okay, let's go back. Here we have this. And so anyway, so this is actual cardstock that I have that I'm using now. And I'm just going to fill in the rest of my pages. Okay, so we have this page where we put the other side of the Eiffel Tower, the extra large postcard here. And we're going to go ahead and make a collage page here. And so I have this piece, one of the pieces that we had left. We're going to go ahead and cut it just under the 9 inches. Okay. So one of the things that I like to make sure I do is I use up all my scraps. So this was a scrap paper, and of course it could be used for a card in one of the pockets that we've done in this journal. But here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to collage this page with this and the corner that we just cut out from the other page. So let's go ahead and get this on this page. Glue it down. Okay, I want to make sure that this is really glued down really well right here. And then we have this here. So this is the corner that we just cut, and we're going to go ahead and just put a line of glue around the outside of the corner. And then we're going to even it up here and even it up to the edge of that paper there. And it gives us a collage with a pocket. Okay. There we go. So we have a pocket here. And our page is collaged and filled in. Okay. So, and I did one other one. So this was this corner. We've used it down here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the simple one. We're just going to go ahead, we're just filling all the pages in with scrapbook paper or scrapbook cardstock and with pages from the digital kit. And then we're going to come back and we are going to decorate it. And you can see we still are in great shape and we look really good right here. It's pretty exciting. So yeah, so if you want to join us in the August Altered Junk Journal Challenge, join us at the Facebook group, August Altered Junk Journal Challenge. There will be a details video in the description box below, along with the playlist. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye.